Hello all, welcome to Project Helpers channel. Before going into today's topic, kindly subscribe to our channel. The topic we are going to look today is RabbitMQ and Python. In this video, I'll help you in setting up the RabbitMQ environment, and in the upcoming parts we can see how to use the RabbitMQ with Python. Let's get into the topic. What is RabbitMQ? Yeah, RabbitMQ is an open source message broker to transmit messages. As an example, we can consider this as a post office. So where we can put in like letters and we can keep it in the post box so that it will be eventually delivered to the receiver. Same way, we can keep the messages from the sender in the RabbitMQ server and send message with queuing mechanism to the recipient. As we all know, queuing follows FIFO, that is first come first serving basis. The RabbitMQ is a replacement of traditional request-response pattern. Here, request is from client and response is to server and denoted in the respective terms. Now, let's see about setting up the environment. First, we need to install Erlang. You guys can find all these links in the description. First, we are opening the Erlang link and here we can see download Windows installer. On clicking the drop down, choose the required installer. While it's installing parallelly, we can install RabbitMQ too. On clicking the RabbitMQ link, moving down, we can see the Windows installer. Click on that and RabbitMQ will be installed. And this might take few minutes. Once download of Erlang and RabbitMQ is done, we can set it up. First set up Erlang, then followed by RMQ. This pop-up, we have to allow access to bind the Erlang with the RabbitMQ and also firewall access. Once done, open a RabbitMQ command prompt in such a way and copy-paste the commands given. First command is to enable RabbitMQ and second we have to stop and start the RMQ. Finally, go to the web search, type localhost:15672 to see the RMQ UI. The default username and password is guest. After logging in, we can set the admin username and password to manager and access all these queues. In the next video, we can see how to work with the RMQ and Python. Thank you for watching. Happy building!